combination is something that I call the military pas de bourree. Somewhere along the line, I realized that when you do a single military time steps and you've got those 3 steps that are together in that combination, you could do a pas de bourree, which is a ballet term for a step that is going to cross behind on the first step, step out to the side on the second, and then typically cross in front or sometimes step to the side on the third one. We're going to be doing back, side, front on those 3 steps. And to make it a little more interesting looking, we are also going to use side shuffles instead of front shuffles on this one. This is something that I call a military pas de bourree. And the reason for it is pas de bourree in dance is an action that goes back, side, side, or sometimes it goes back, side, front, where it's 3 steps. And there was one time I was doing a single military time step, and it sort of hit me that the shuffle, hop, step, 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 that those 3 steps don't necessarily have to stay in place like marches. You could do a pas de bourree with them and make it a little more interesting to look at. So that was how this step came to be. So we're going to start with the right foot. And for this, we're going to use side shuffles instead of front shuffles. So you're going to do your shuffle to the side, you do your hop, and then you're going to step back, side, front. Then we're going to do it on the left side, shuffle, hop, back, side, front. Now on the singles, we are going to do 2 forward Irishes. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. And then we're going to do 1 more shuffle, hop, back, side, front. Shuffle, hop, back, side, front. That finishes the right side. So now we're starting over on the left. So with the left foot, you're going to do shuffle, hop, back, side, front. Then the right foot goes shuffle, hop, back, side, front. Now we're going to do back Irishes this time. Shuffle, hop, back, shuffle, hop, back, shuffle, hop, back, side, front. I use this in choreography quite often, and a lot of times what I'll do is I'll set up 2 rows of dancers, and the front row will do back Irishes on the first set, while the back row does front Irishes, so it causes them to switch place, and then on the second set they go back the other way. So the forward and back part, it kind of depends on what the choreographer, or in this case, what I want. Okay, so for our purposes, we will be going forward on the first step and back on the second every time. So you're going to have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, front, shuffle, hop, front, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, back, shuffle, hop, back, shuffle, hop, back, side, front. Okay, I'm assuming that you are working in a small space at home, and you probably do not have room to really travel. So I'm going to do this so it sort of stays in place as much as possible. And the secret to staying in place is to put the foot down pretty much in line with where you picked it up from. So starting with the right foot, you have shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, front, shuffle, hop, back, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, back, shuffle, hop, back, shuffle, hop, back, side, front. It's hard to not move around with this one. Five, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, back, side, front, shuffle, hop, front, shuffle.